I'm out here on the Cousin Road right now. As you can see, people are celebrating the water festival. So I'm gonna teach you a few words, a few English words today. So we're gonna start with a splash. You splash the water over somebody, right? You can use the word splash. Splash the water over somebody. Another word you can use is douse. Douse. You can use the word douse. So douse. You can use douse. Douse with a bucket of water. Douse with a bucket of water. So ရေလောင်းပြီဆိုလို့ရှိရင်ကျွန်တော်ဆိုပြီးပေါ့နော်။ရေဆိုပါပြီဆိုလို့ရှိရင် you got wet. You got wet. And then also you can say soaked and you can also say drenched, right? You got drenched. You got drenched. And you got wet. And you got soaked, right? So thank you. So those are the words that you can use to address and to talk about the water festival, right? So as you can see, these are flip-flops. Flip-flops. You can say flip-flops. You can also say a pair of flip-flops. And also, these are two glasses, right? So you cannot say glass. You have to say glasses. Or sunglasses, right? Sunglasses. So I'm wearing a cap, right? You can either say a cap or a hat, but it's more correct to say a cap, right? Yeah, thank you. So we are enjoying the moment, right? We are enjoying the special occasion, and the weather is hot right now. You can say it is hot. It is not warm though. It is hot. It is boiling. So these are the words to talk about the water festival. Happy water festival to you guys. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you are enjoying the moment. I hope you are having a good day. So have fun. That's it. Bye bye guys. Take care.